Okay guys, this is a hopefully a quick video. Today is Monday. We got a pretty good amount of rain last night, which was wonderful. So you know what that means for me. No watering. But I want to give you a quick update. Used to kill the weeds. Ant got on me, sorry guys. And as you can see, it is dead. You have a very few green spots. And again, that's probably where I did not spray it too good. So, and my husband did do the lawn. He didn't want to mess with my project, so if it don't get too hot today, I will I hope this thing is not gonna be hold on, little ants. I got my house shoes on. Good afternoon, guys. I'm gonna give you a little tour update on the weeds. As you can see, I'm going down my steps. Don't mind my little toes. And I had to put some ortho ant killer down. And my husband said he hates to use it, but I hate to get burnt up by some ants on my feet. So I haven't did anything else to it as I said I would, only because I was focused on that other project that I had to finish. But still 3 days later, it actually looked good. I mean, like I said before, probably reapplying those very thin out green spaces. So I think that I will try to use this here as often as I have it. I shouldn't have to use it for a while. This area, I shouldn't have to use it anymore once I reapply it to those little spots. So yes, the vinegar and salt and dish soap do work. Remember the way I used mine, I kind of did like a half and half. I did more 5% than 30%, but I did use a nice amount of 30% in that gallon, as well as I did use a full cup of salt. And I mixed it up. Now when you're doing it the regular way, if you look at some of the other ways that they have it, you kind of using either one or the other product, either the 5% or the 30%. And I wanted to see just how it would do if I mixed it and didn't use all of one, because like I said, the 30% vinegar is not cheap. It can get expensive. So yeah, I will continuously to use that. I do have other areas that I could use it in, and that's what I think I'm going to do is use that instead of, if I use that in certain areas, it'll prevent my husband from having to do weed eating. Now, as we all know, as the weather change, the yard is not going to be growing as much. Therefore, we won't have to worry about that. But that's a whole nother subject. Hey guys, until this one is done, I will be loading up the smaller projects that I did videotape. So continue watching for more details and content. If you like these videos, please hit the like, subscribe, share button, as well as the notification bell so you can always know when I upload a video. Thank you guys. Be blessed.